This is really interesting because obviously you put wood in here and then the smoke rises like a snake pattern. As you can see here, it would go through there and up the chimney, but it would pass along this, I'm holding the gloves there, it would pass along this area like that. And so you can see here, or not see rather, but you get the point. And so that means that all the heat from the smoke will go into the bricks rather than just straight up into the air. Whereas modern flue systems, like kind of what we just installed, if you don't have this, so you've just got a fireplace and then straight up the flue, the heat, you'll get less efficiency because the heat will just go straight up. This is actually so old that this brickwork is not even like sealed together properly. It's probably pretty bad. I can just pull these bricks off. Like this, it's just crumbling. So there's cement inside the middle of each brick. It's just so weak. But it makes it really easy to pull apart and do my job, I guess. You could say it's like every person's dream, right?